How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once, and which is the best unfollowing app for Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can bulk unfollow everyone on Instagram on one single tap. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated, I'm going to go ahead and log into one of my accounts, and I will show you the number of followings which I currently have. If I go ahead and tap on my profile icon bottom right, at the top right hand side of the screen you can see a handful number of following. But if I actually try to unfollow right from the Instagram app, I would have to go ahead and tap on it manually in order to unfollow those people, and it could be a really lengthy process if you have over 1,000, over 10,000 or some kind of followers. And if you want to learn how to unfollow all of them at once, what we are going to do is, first of all, we will simply hop out of Instagram over here, and what you want to do is you want to simply open your Google Play Store. For example, let me just go ahead and open my App Store. Once you open your App Store, you want to make sure you are logged into your Google account, and you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. At the very top of the screen, you can see the search box. In the search box, you want to simply type in Instagram must unfollow. So simply type in this keyword right over here which says Instagram must unfollow, and you'll be able to see a bunch of unfollowing apps for Instagram. Now you could basically go ahead and download any of these if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and look at the rating, and you can see the second app which says must unfollow for Instagram, which has a Google Play Store rating of 4.8. So I'm going to go ahead and simply download this application. I've already downloaded it in my case. What I will do is simply open it. After you download this Unfollow app for Instagram, the next thing you want to do is you have to first of all log in to your Instagram account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. I have already entered my details. If you don't enter your login details, this app will not be able to unfollow everyone on Instagram. So after you're logged in, there are basically a few ads which you have to deal with it basically, unless you don't upgrade to the paid version. But since we are using the free version, you have to deal with the ads, and as you can see, I have got 18 following on the top right hand side of the screen. If I want to unfollow all of them, what I will do is simply tap on this all button which you see, and you could actually be served with a certain ad. For example, in this case, as you can see, the ad has been loaded, so I will simply wait until I close this particular ad. So as you can see, I have successfully viewed the ad, and now you have this option which says to unfollow all of these users. At the very top, you can see this purple button which says unfollow all. So all you have to do is simply tap on the unfollow all button which you see, and again, basically there is another ad. We'll wait until this ad is completed as well. So as you can see, you'll see this kind of interface which says to start must unfollow. So I will simply tap on the start button which you see over here. Once you tap on the start button, you can see it says this app can run in the background. You have to simply wait until the unfollowing process is complete. You can see the number of growth right on the screen. So we will wait until the unfollow process is also completed, and we will also go ahead and check back on the Instagram app. So as you can see, it says the unfollowing process has been completed. Now you can go ahead and check back on your Instagram app and then see whether all of the people has actually been unfollowed or not. And this is how you can bulk unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.